Wow, I'm sure glad I discovered this. That's probably why it failed a year ago when I first replaced the head gasket. I'll keep at it, and I'll finish off with a finer paper. 5 more minutes of sanding. I can definitely see a difference. Look at how much larger the shiny area is. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, it really didn't take much. I just touched it up with a sheet of 220 to try to get the big scratches out. And I'm wondering really if it was more. No, it couldn't have been, because I was touching here and here the other day. But now it almost seems like this pitting is raised. But I'm going to try to kind of sandblast this if I can. But this doesn't touch the head gasket where all this pitting stuff is. This is where the piston goes. This is the top of the combustion chamber. So check this out. I go corner to corner. It's pretty nice right there. Tiny gap right in the middle. Then it's not even across the whole middle. It's touching on the left and not on the right. Might do a little bit more, but man, I'm pretty happy with this. Must have been really close. Barely warped. I'm thankful for Old School Funk. He showed how to do this on a car engine. I think it was an aluminum head, so his sanding went a lot longer. A little bit of sanding went longer, I guess I should say. This is an old cast iron head on my Yanmar tractor, but I'm pretty excited that this is working. You see how big the shiny area is now? So that tells me that I got flatter and flatter. So it isn't shiny in the middle. So I think I'll do a little bit more and then I'll be good to go. I need to clean up this pitted area, and I need to seat the two intake valves a little bit better. The smaller ones right there. Oh, that looks a lot better already. I'll probably lose some compression though, because this used to be material and now it's pitted and rusted away. It's a lot better. I don't have a sandblaster anyway. I thought about trying to make one with the air compressor, but that would take too long. Spraying WD-40 now. One of these injectors is stuck. Last year I couldn't get it out at all. So maybe getting this lubricant in from the inside will help. And I'm just kind of using it to clean it off a little bit. Alright, bad news. Look at that. Man, how is that possible? That one looks deep. This one has it too, but it's not as bad looking. How? How? Could water get in through there? I'm sure it could on the intake stroke. The intake stroke, there's negative pressure here. Remember, this is the cylinder, and the piston would be going up and down like this. So when the piston draws in, well, maybe not, because that would mean the air valve is open. The intake valve is open. But I'm sure water could still leak in, because all of this is the water jacket. Everything, so you can see back there. You can see daylight right there. See it as I move my finger? So water is all over in here. Remember, this is upside down right now, so water is all over in here, just waiting to get in through these cracks, I guess. Golly, man. That is not good. I wonder if that can be welded. I think there's some special preheating measures that have to be done if you're going to weld on cast iron. Golly. Look at that. It goes right through the seal. The valve seal. The valve edge. Man, that stinks. Maybe there's no way for water to get in those cracks, because it seems to be over the intake and exhaust tunnels. But it's still not good.